Ooh, Crappie, nice.
Crappie. I went to a little, look at that, Dano.
Yep.
I put a little curly tail on. Nice one, huh?
Yeah,
We'll
was
see.
he up on the,
Yeah.
Ooh.
Did you have one too?
yeah?
Just see what happens. About halfway back.
You know, and crappies are so popular because people like to eat them because they taste great. And filleting crappies can be a real art. And Mike Hohner, this guy that I work with, is one of the best.
So everybody has their favorite way of cleaning fish, whether it's with an electric knife or a standard blade. For doing panfish, I prefer using a standard bladed knife, and what works best for me is either a small knife or a real thin bladed knife like this Bubba Blade Whiffy. So the first step is to pull the fin back, cut behind the gill, down to the backbone, and then you run along the backbone. Then push the knife through, go out the tail, cut back to the rib cage while pressing down, and then you just go around the edges here. And there's one side, and complete the same on the other side. Back to the rib cage. Along the backbone. You can feel the blade run along the rib cage there. Go along the edge, go around the rib cage, and you got two pieces. So after that, what I like to do, skin it. And then there's, on all the fish, there's a little row of bones here just above the rib cage that we just went around. They're called the epipleural bones. And on a bigger fish like this, you can feel them and they usually don't fry out. So I'll take this knife and run it and cut this little V out like so. Cut those bones out. And there you have a done panfish fillet.